Hello, ladies, gentlemen, and others. This is Mixie Stars. Before we get into today's video, I'd like to introduce you to my channel. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment below if you enjoyed today's video. And if you would like to see more or hear more of me, please mention it in your comments. That's all. Enjoy the video. Look at this view. This is so stunning, don't you agree? You look absolutely gorgeous, babe. No, I'm being serious. The flush in your face seriously makes your eyes sparkle like no other. Yes, you do. You look better than the view, actually. I'm being dead serious. You're stunning. Hey, where are you going? Higher. Okay, let's do it. Just to double check. You're not feeling too cold, no headaches, nausea, anything I should know about. Okay. I'm just checking. You can never be too careful, you know. But let's go. You're really speeding along, aren't you? Have you got somewhere to be? Excuse you. Of course I could keep up. What are you talking about? I'm coming for you. You better watch out. Oh, you're running now, huh? Scared I'm gonna catch up to you, aren't you? No, seriously, slow down. I don't want you to slip, okay? It's getting steep. Fuck. They can't hear me. Babe! Oh, they. Oh my god, no, they're not stopping. Fuck. Oh my god, what do I do? They stopped? Oh, they got caught on a rock. Thank God. Baby, are you okay? Are you awake? Can you hear me? Baby? Baby, please. Please wake up. Oh my God. Please, baby. Please come back to me. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm going to do. Baby, please. There's no signal. Fuck. God, please, baby, I can't lose you, okay? Oh my God. No, baby. You're awake. Okay. We have to move. I can't let you sit out here. You'll freeze to death and there's no signal out here. We need to get your head checked as soon as possible. You just basically went flying down the mountainside. I'm being serious. I think you took flight about 5 times, to be completely honest. No, I'm not making fun of you, I promise. I just I don't know what to do here, you know? Are you okay? Your head and your stomach? Okay, let me. But I shouldn't move you. What if you've broken something and I make it worse by moving you? I don't want you. I don't want to leave you. What if you fall asleep on me? Okay. Can you feel your legs? Okay. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Can you move your toes? Come on, darling. Just focus. Yes? Okay, thank God. Okay. I'm gonna go and see if I can get a signal anywhere. Okay, love? Don't move. Just because you can move your toes doesn't mean you're healed, okay? I'll be back as quick as I can. Just please stay awake for me. Pinky promise? Okay. You can't go back on your word now, love. I'll be back as quick as I can, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? I don't know what do I, what the fuck do I do? Okay, okay. I need to get signal, or find a cave, but I can't move them. Well, but they could start freezing and get hypothermia. God, what the fuck do I do? I don't, I don't know. I don't know what to do. God, pull it together. You can't help them if you're breaking down. Deep breaths. Okay. There's gotta be a signal somewhere. Please. God, why won't it connect? Please. Please. I don't know what to do. It's not fair. Please. I'm just gonna go back because this isn't working. Babe? Baby? I could have sworn I've left them here. Where the hell did they go? Baby? Where are you? I can see the prints of... Did they drag themselves somewhere? I swear. Let me just follow the trail. Is that a cave? Baby, are you in here? Baby, oh thank God. What were you thinking? What if you had a spinal injury? You could have died. You could have died. Oh my God. Okay. What? You... Strip you? What do you mean strip? Do warm up? Oh, you're soaked. Oh, okay. I know it hurts. I'm sorry. I promise I'll be quick. I just need you to sit up, okay? This is gonna hurt, baby. Just breathe. I'm sorry. There you go. Do we have any matches or anything? We need to get a signal. We need to find... I need to find... Yes, I'm breathing. One thing at a time. I'll check if I have a signal. Yes! I do have a signal. Okay. This is good. You call, I'll do the fire. Okay? So, the fire's lit. They're on their way. God, baby, I don't know how you can be so calm. I'd be panicking. I am panicking. I know. You're going to be fine. Are you warming up yet? Should I move you closer to the fire? We should huddle. You can sit between my legs in front of the fire. Then I could hold you. From behind, block the winds. Okay. Here, take my jacket. Try covering yourself. God, you're frozen. Yeah, I guess it probably does hurt less. It's all going to be okay. Okay, love? It's all going to be okay. You just have to stay awake for me, love. Okay? You just have to stay awake. What do you want to talk about? What we love about each other. Well, that's quite the question. I love your hair. I love stroking it. I love smelling it. I love feeling it against my face when we sleep. You love my hair too. What, even though it's curly and prickly and it bounces back? Well, that's the first. It would do great on a bobble head? I don't know whether to be insulted or touched by that. Oh, what am I thinking about? I'm thinking about. I don't know what I'm thinking about. I might be in shock too. No. I'm. I'm thinking about how much I love you. No, I'm being. I can't lose you, okay? I cannot lose you. You need to stay with me. I know you're with me right now, but you've got to stay with me till help arrives, okay? You're not dying on me. I refuse. Yes, I refuse. I know that's your line, and I'm stealing it right now. I reject that outcome. Okay, you promise? Yes, I promise to stay calm. Okay, we're deadlocked now. No way out. I know that's not the right use, but you get my point. Hey, are you okay? You think you might be warming up? Well, that's good. That's. Oh, or not. Baby, don't focus on the pain. I think you'll just make it worse. I know what. Think of the nice bath you'll have when we get back. Warm up those limbs, huh? We'll get an electric blanket, lay in bed, watch movies. I know, it hurts. But you need to breathe, baby. You need to breathe. In, 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. Yes, baby, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. No, you can't sleep, baby. You might have a concussion. I know, sweetheart. I know. Remember when we pulled those all nighters to reset our sleep schedules? We were so tired, but we made it. I need you to bring that energy, okay? Because I don't know what I'll do if you fall asleep. I'll most likely explode. Plus, I'll be bored, and that's the real tragedy here. No, we cannot have that. You're right. That would be a real tragedy. Worse than imploding, I think. I'm glad you agree. You know, we should get a pet. No, I was just thinking. Okay, this is not going to make sense, but I just want you to hold a small animal. I know, I know. Adopt, don't shop. But they're so cute when they're small. You know, we can rescue a kitten. Yeah, give it a new lease on life. It'd be cute, wouldn't it? We can have the cat and dog debate another time. But we agree we're getting a pet, right? No, don't sleep. We're pulling an all-nighter, remember? I know, baby. It's just till help arrives, okay? And then you can have your beauty sleep. No, of course. You're stunning. I'm just saying you can sleep, but I was putting it, I guess, a little spin on it. Plus, when they get here, they can drug you up and you won't have to pay off a single thing, right? You'll be alive, it will have all been worth it, and it's gonna make an amazing story to tell our friends. Maybe even our kids. No, Brianna will be gobsmacked. She literally won't believe us. Exactly. And that's why you have to stay awake for me. What do you mean you can't? Yes, you can. I love you too. But you've got to stay awake. Focus on the pain, baby. Focus. No. No, please, don't close your eyes. No. No, baby, I'm being serious. Stay awake. No, 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 no. Baby, please. Please. You can't. You can't. No. Oh my god. Is that. Oh, finally. Thank God. Please hurry. You have to help me. They won't wake up. I tried everything and they coughed up a little bit of blood earlier. No, I don't think they damaged their spine. They crawled up the mountain after they were injured. I know, they sound crazy, but that's what I need. I need them to keep being crazy. So you have to save them, okay? Please, can you save them? There. I think they're waking up. Baby, baby, I'm here. And help is here too. I know. I know it hurts, baby. I know. But they're here to help. Um we we were hiking up the mountain and I don't know actually. I think they tripped on something or stepped on ice, but the next thing I knew they were falling. It all happened so fast. They just kept going and then a rock caught them. They might have internal bleeding. Oh god. Baby, baby, I'm here. I'm here. You're going to be okay. You're going to be okay. You have to be okay. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for listening all the way through and listening to my very first ASMR. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Toodles!